You searched how to buy shares of Pebblebrook Hotel Trust, and this video demonstrates the steps to purchase shares of Pebblebrook Hotel Trust, a U.S. hotel REIT traded on NASDAQ under the ticker PEB. This content is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds to your account before buying. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker PEB to find the listing. Select the result that matches Pebblebrook Hotel Trust on NASDAQ to ensure it is the correct asset. On the asset page, review the company description and the price chart to see recent activity. Confirm the page shows Pebblebrook Hotel Trust and ticker PEB before proceeding. To place an order, tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order will be queued or executed at the next market opportunity. And if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to follow the same process.